Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. If you want to enhance customer engagement, Intercom is a great tool for real-time support. Today, we'll cover how to set it up and use it effectively. Let's get started. 1. Set up Intercom. Sign up, install the Intercom Messenger widget, and customize it to match your brand. 2. Automate responses. Use chatbots for common questions, set up automated workflows, and enable canned responses for quick replies. 3. Manage conversations. Handle chats in the Intercom inbox, assign messages to team members, and integrate with Slack or CRM tools. 4. Engage customers. Send targeted messages based on user behavior and provide real-time support with in-app messages. 5. Analyze and improve. Track interactions, measure response times, and update chat workflows based on feedback. Intercom makes live chat support seamless. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.